What's up, guys? Welcome to the Worship Guitar Mastery Group. I'm your host, Joey Cobra. I've been playing the guitar for about 19 years at this point, and I've been playing in church almost about every week since I was 12, and started in the youth band and then joined the adults, and then since then got to play in different churches all over where I'm from in the Midwest, but also now in Tennessee and Nashville, and get to go on tour and lead worship at different places all over the U.S. So I'm super excited to have this group, and I'm going to be jumping through what this group is about and give you a little bit of a window of what it looks like on the inside. So here we go. This is the landing page you probably are on right now. This group is designed for accountability for practicing, specifically for worship guitar players. And I have been creating over the last several years custom song tabs and tutorials for a lot of today's current worship songs. And I'm always coming out with new ones and adding to them. Obviously, everybody's releasing new worship songs all the time. And so I'm trying to stay as up to date as I can with creating that for you guys, and then transposing all of those tabs so that you can easily hop in there and play in whatever key you want and learn those songs. So that's going to also be included in the group. Obviously, it's going to be a global worship guitar community. I'm going to hop over to the map. You'll see that there are different tabs up here. I'm going to hop over to the map, and it's quite literally a global group of worship guitar players. So it's really cool getting to engage with different people. Obviously, a lot of them are in the U.S., but in Europe too, and we're almost on every continent. We're not on Antarctica yet. We'll find you. If you're watching this and you're from Antarctica, please join. Obviously, you talk about guitar tones, gear, how to improve your speed and accuracy, music theory, Nashville number system. I'm trying to hit all of the things for you to be as best equipped as you can be for the worship team, and then some. A lot of these stuff that I go over is more advanced for what you're going to need for a worship team, but my methodology is, how do we practice something that's even more difficult to play than what you have to learn for a worship team? And then by the time you get on the stage, everything feels easier because you're already putting in the work outside of it, outside of the worship environment. So here's what's included: worship guitar tutorials. This is going to help you learn the songs faster. And with the transposed tabs, it helps you learn it even faster. Patches for the Helix. I have a ton of different patches available. The first one I'm giving away actually in the group is a free John Mayer patch. So you get that immediately when you join the group. Every week I do a pre-Sunday huddle with whoever wants to join. It's been great to connect with people every week who are preparing for Sunday, or if they have questions or whatever like that. It's just like this kind of chill Q&A. Right now I have the Miraculum Course. I already made this course a while ago before I started the group, but I threw it in there to include it. And then also I just finished up this speed exercises course. This is everything that I've possibly ever known of how to build my speed, everything I've ever practiced. And it comes with score sheets, comes with tabs, it comes with videos, everything like that. This goes along with trying to practice things that are a little bit more difficult outside of your comfort zone to better prepare you for a worship environment. And then we have a timeline, a chat. So I'm going to jump into that. Let me hop through the tabs for you guys up top to show you what we're looking at. This is our community tab. This is a little bit similar to like a Facebook group, if you've seen that, but I think it's a lot cleaner than a Facebook group. And we have, right now I'm doing a giveaway for guitar lessons. I'm doing them kind of rather frequently. So they're just one-on-one guitar lessons. You can click on there, you can vote, comment, and then I go in and pick the winner from that. And then we have a one-on-one call, and it's fun. So got that. Obviously the Miraculum Course, John Mayer patch, and then I like to ask people what these are the next set of topics that I'm going to cover in the group. People are voting and things like that. And then you can also make your own posts and then have people answer your questions or engage what you're looking at. So this is the community tab, and you can write things and post in there. So the classroom tab is what's kind of similar to what a course tab is. This is what I was talking about. This is where you'll find all of the tabs and the tutorials. So I've got the Elevation, Bethel, Wickham, Gateway, Brandon Lake, all of these. I try to organize them by worship artists. And so, for example, when I click on the elevation one, you'll get to see all of these songs that I made tutorials and tabs for. Again, it took me forever to do this, but all of the tabs are in whatever key you could possibly play them in. So comes a tutorial, playthrough if I have them, and then guitar tabs with all the keys, and then you can just download them and use them how you like. The next tab is the calendar. I can schedule different events. Here's where you'll see the pre-Sunday huddles, what I'm calling it, on Saturdays. And I'm actually going to start recording these and save them just in case you can't make it. And then I like to put in the tutorials that I'm doing on the YouTube channel if you want to tune in. I'd like to do those live now. So there will be a link to that, and you'll be able to check that out. So that is the calendar tab. Members, you can obviously see everybody who's joined. You can even like DM them if you have a question. The map we've already went over. You can see people kind of generally in the area. So it's actually kind of fun. Honestly, I'm most excited because I do a little bit of traveling. And so if I'm ever in the city or in the area, I might hit up some of these people and be like, hey, you want to grab coffee or something? So I think that'd be fun. And then this is the leaderboards tab. This makes this group a little bit more like a competitive game a little bit. For every post you make, for every like you get, and every comment you get, you actually gain points and you level up. So this is the fun thing that this platform called School is about. And you have different levels and things like that. So, for example, I'm a level 5. With that, there are different levels and different things that you can aim for. So, for example, the free John Mayer patch is level 2, which is pretty easy. All you have to do is leave a couple comments or post once, and then people will engage with you, and you'll basically level up to level 2 like almost instantly. If this type of thing interests you, this is something that I would have always wanted when I was starting out. The only thing that I was left to was DVDs and YouTube back in the day. And with this level of direction, I feel like I would have leveled up way faster. So it's a lot of fun, this group. Hope you join, and we'll see you on the inside.